In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut parts of a video in CapCut PC. If you made a mistake in the middle of a sentence, left an awkward pause, or just want to remove a boring section from your footage, this is one of the fastest and easiest editing tricks you can learn. The good news is that CapCut PC makes this process very simple, and you only need a couple of keyboard shortcuts to do it cleanly. To begin, you want to mark the exact point where the unwanted section starts. On your timeline, drag the playhead to the beginning of the mistake, pause, or section you want to remove. Try to place it as accurately as possible, because this first cut tells CapCut where the part you do not want begins. Once your playhead is in the right spot, press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. That creates your first split and separates the clip at that exact frame. Next, you need to mark where the unwanted section ends. Move the playhead forward to the end of the part you want to cut out. This could be the end of a bad sentence, the end of a silence, or the point where the video becomes useful again. When you reach that spot, press Ctrl+B one more time. Now the section you want to remove is isolated in the middle as its own separate clip, which makes the next step quick and precise. Now it is time to remove it. Click that middle clip so it is selected. Before you delete it, check that the Auto Ripple magnet icon above your timeline is turned on. This is important because Auto Ripple automatically closes the gap after the clip is removed. If it is off, CapCut will leave an empty space in your timeline, and your video will have an unwanted black gap. With the middle clip selected and Auto Ripple on, press Backspace on your keyboard. CapCut will instantly delete that section and snap the remaining clips back together so the cut looks clean and seamless. And that is it. You have successfully cut out part of a video in CapCut PC. This method is perfect for cleaning up talking videos, tutorials, interviews, and pretty much any footage where you need to remove mistakes quickly. If you want smoother results, take an extra second to zoom in on your timeline before placing your cuts so you can be more precise. Once you get used to this workflow, editing out unwanted parts becomes incredibly fast. You're all set. Done.